Hey, this is how to use Google Sheets in dark mode on desktop. So what you're seeing right now is the end result of this tutorial. So sadly, Google Sheets on PC does not have a dark mode setting. However, you can use a browser plugin to make dark mode possible. So let me show you the plugin. So the plugin is called Dark Mode Night Eye, and I will link it in the description. So go there and then click Add to Chrome and then click on Add Extension. Okay, now it has been installed and you can find it here. So go to the options setting here, and if you don't want to use any other sites in dark mode, then you can change the default mode to normal, and that is saved. And now you can go to Google Sheets, and as you can see, it's not in dark mode right now, but you can now click here and then on dark mode Night Eye, and now you can add this site to show up in dark mode every time. So I just click on dark and it will reload the page automatically. And there you go, you've got Google Sheets in dark mode now. So that's it. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Google Sheets tutorials like this.